Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you're using the Fujifilm Instax Mini EVO and your storage is getting full, or you simply want to remove unwanted photos, clearing them is something every user needs to know. Many people get confused because this camera works both as a digital viewer and an instant printer. So deleting photos isn't exactly like a regular phone. Sometimes you may try pressing buttons randomly and nothing happens, which can feel frustrating. The best thing is that once you understand the correct way to access and delete images, you can quickly free up space and keep only the photos you actually want. Try these. Step 1. Turn on the camera and enter playback mode. Step 2. Scroll through photos to select the image you want to delete. Step 3. Press the delete or trash button on the camera. Step 4. Confirm deletion when prompted on the screen. Step 5. Repeat the process for multiple unwanted photos. Step 6. Exit playback mode and continue using the camera normally.